Of course, in a perfect world, a curated, just for you message would work. If you've got smaller amount of leads, I would recommend curating a little bit more. I don't even know if you're going to do this in high volume, I don't even know if you need to even do the video, a call, because you could do those fast, right? Hey, you and I are connected on blank, wanted to reach out to you personally. There's a little secret that the top CPAs are kind of sharing amongst themselves, or the top CFOs in your case. I just want to make sure you were aware of it, right? And in some cases with that, because it's such a high level insight, I almost think video might even set you back a notch, because if you are a authority, if you are the leader in that space, and if you really were just wanting to reach out to make sure they were aware of it, you might not take the time to make a video about it, right? It's almost too much up front. So I think I would maybe try just doing, because I don't want to give you extra work that you need to do, especially if that extra work sets you back. I think it's an impromptu kind of phone call. Now, the tonality of that phone call is important, right? Because if you sound like a salesperson, hey, there's something that we're seeing with our clients. By the way, that's what salespeople say. Hey, I was thinking about you guys today. I believe we both attended the expense conference there in Rhode Island. Man, there is something going on that every mid-sized business here in the East Coast is having to deal with right now. I just want to make sure you guys were aware of that, give you a heads up on it. Hey, I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. That's a genuine sounding call, right? It doesn't sound really like, ta-da! It's almost less is more with those type of calls. Does that make sense? If you need to triple your sales and triple your income to truly enjoy your life, boom, I've got you covered. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. I'm going to give you my closing mini masterclass. I'm going to cover all the cost for you. It's normally $300. I got you covered. Click the link in my bio. That is going to help you start closing more deals right now. And then we're going to talk about getting you access to Easton University. It's the most skillful and effective way for you to communicate, for you to get attention, for you to handle objections, for you to network. Everything that you're going to need to triple your sales, and most importantly, triple your income so you can finally start having the life you want to have. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to buy the closing course for you. We'll talk about getting you on Easton University. Your life, it's about to get a lot better.